And I guess Steve's saying the weather's probably even going to be worse tomorrow down there in Georgia.
Boy, they've got a challenging forecast down there as that that weather continues down there as well. We've got some active weather here. I just got an update on a weather alert for you folks over there in Northeast Oregon near Pendleton. We'll get to that here in just a second.
Okay.
Live look outside though right now, guys. This is not a bad shot from the Port of Kalama camera. Notice those temperatures though, only 49 degrees. That's about 10 degrees below normal from where we should be this time of the year, with those scattered showers moving up the I-5 corridor all afternoon today. But it's quiet out there in Lincoln City right now. Chinook Winds Casino Resort camera. Just a few people out there on the beach this evening. Passing clouds with some sun breaks here in the metro area, 55 degrees, humidity 77%, winds southwest at 5 miles per hour. Notice that evening planner, though, as we continue on into the evening. I don't anticipate any more rain, just a few light showers out there. Now, I want to get right over to this. This is for Umatilla and Morrow County. National Weather Service out of Pendleton issued a special weather statement just about 8 minutes ago. Keeping an eye on that cell right there as it continues to move off to the northeast, creating lightning, hail, thunder. If you get any pictures or video of that, send it in to reportit@coin.com. I'd love to see those. But keep an eye out there. There's even a possibility of a funnel, not probably going to touch the ground, but you may see one up in the air as that continues to push off to the northeast right over the I-84 corridor here in about the next 5 to 10 minutes. So be careful out there. Daytime highs today, average temperature 60 in Portland. We made it to 59, so about where we should be this time of the year. Temperatures mostly in the low 50s along the coast with a few scattered showers there, and a wide variety of temperatures over there in the central and east side of the state. Now, about 1/4 of an inch of rain here in Portland. Now, that's at the airport out in Parker-Rose. But notice Kelso, some of those heavier scattered showers and thunderstorms moving right over you folks earlier today. Over 1/2 of an inch of rain there. Aurora at 4/10 of an inch. We'll start out cloudy on your Saturday and then a few passing showers. But I think for Portland South tomorrow, it's going to actually be fairly nice with temperatures in the upper 50s. Now, futurecast, as we roll this forward, here's your dry time this evening. This is 11 o'clock as those scattered showers move off to the east. Now, tomorrow morning, here's 1:30 in the afternoon on your Saturday. Northern Oregon coast, I expect to see some scattered showers there. But say Tillamook South, I think it's going to remain fairly dry. And notice in the valley from Portland south through Salem, mainly dry. But let's move into your 9 a.m. on Sunday. This is Easter Sunday. Boy, get out really early, and I mean really early, like probably before 9 a.m. if you want to do any Easter egg hunts, because this is what's coming in on Sunday, and it's going to stay Sunday evening all the way into Monday. Here's 12 noon Monday. Another atmospheric river potentially setting up over the Pacific Northwest. We'll keep an eye on that this weekend. I'll be in tomorrow with the latest updates on that. Here's your rainfall forecast through Saturday. Pretty light on Saturday, but notice as we get into Easter Sunday and then into Monday, here's 5:30 Monday. I think this is a little bit overdone, but I would expect 1 inch to perhaps 1.5 inches in the metro area by midday Monday, up to 2 inches along the coast, and then lighter amounts as you go through the Columbia River Gorge and over in the central and east side of the state. Saturday and Sunday, clouds around, scattered showers, about 50 on the coast, 54 on Sunday. If you're going up to the mountains skiing, it'll be a little mushy on your Saturday with temperatures up above freezing, but Sunday that rain comes in, so I would pick Saturday if you're going to do some skiing. Gorge, going to remain mostly cloudy and dry on Saturday, upper 50s, and then that rain returns on Sunday. Central and east side of the state there, same thing there, cloudy skies with temperatures in the upper 50s. And then on Sunday, a little push of warmer air coming in with that next system will push you up into the upper 60s to near 70s. Okay, it's cloudy tomorrow on your Saturday for the most part in the Portland area. And then on Sunday, boy, get out real early with the kids because it is going to turn very wet in the afternoon, and that will continue all the way through midday Monday. But then as you wait till Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we start to dry back out and warm things up later in the week.
Nice. Yeah, the Easter Bunny, I think, is just bringing our girls Dutch Bros gift cards. Oh. So they're, waterproof. Yeah, they'll be fine. Thanks, Steve.
Yeah. Well, communities around